son's a ball of butter. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'm marching my band out. I beat my drum, and if I'm found out, your turn out bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go cling. Eye on the target and where? One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, Mr. Bernstein, here I am. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum, and if I'm found out, your turn out bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart to comer. Nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my parade. Ayan na! Ay!
Congrats po. Parang exactly yung pagkaka-block na kay Coach Leia.
Wow! Wow!
There you go.
You want to come on this side? You can read it better.
Oh!
I got a feeling.
Thank you, Coach Apple! More chances of winning! Good, good. Up here. Here. Yay!
Oh, you, petty. Meron pa pala. So,
Anong feeling, Coach Leia?
you petty, petty man. You.
Just returning the favor.
Yan.
Yun lang yun.
Oh, well. Back to you.
Hello po.
What is your name?
My name is Ella Mayor and I'm from California.
How old are you, Ella?
I'm 13 years old po.
How? What?
13 years old.
I know, I heard you the first time, but
okay.
how did that voice come out of there? Clearly, you did something fantastic. So I turned, but well, there is that. Bakit ka sumali?
Since I was a very young child, both because I'm Filipino and I'm a girl, I was bullied a lot.
Oh, okay.
There are things said to and behind my back. At first, I joined The Voice because I wanted to prove them wrong.
Right.
But in the end, it was me wanting to prove to myself that I am better than what they thought I was.
You have shown such strength of character. Pero yung pinili mong kanta, it's almost like a direct challenge to the bullies that have bullied you. It's like, don't rain on my parade. Sinasabi mo sa kanila na, sige, kahit na ano pang gawin nyo sa akin, kahit ano pang pambubuli pa ang gawin nyo sa akin, you are not gonna take away my shine or my sparkle. Which is why the performance had so much bite to it. Kasi may hugot ka.
I wanted to be a little more cleaner. I got emotionally, you were on the ball, right? The pipes